Hello kids! Welcome back to Xoratales. Now let's play the sound test game. I'll make a sound, and you have to guess which picture starts with that sound. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter K sound test. K-ka. Which picture starts with this sound? Kite. Octopus. Orange. That's right. K for kite, kite. K-ka. Which word starts with K? King. Lemon. Lollipop. Yes, K for king, king. Letter L sound test. La. Which picture starts with this sound? Lion. Onion. Octopus. Yes, L for lion, lion. La. Which one starts with L? Leaf. Kite. Mouse. Correct. L for leaf, leaf. Letter M sound test. Mama. Which picture starts with this sound? Monkey. Orange. Lion. Yes, M for monkey, monkey. Mama. Which word starts with M? Mango. Onion. Kite. Correct. M for mango, mango. Letter N sound test. Nana. Which picture starts with this sound? Nest. Mouse. Lemon. Yes, N for nest, nest. Nana. Which one starts with N? Necklace. Lollipop. Monkey. Correct. N for necklace, necklace. Letter O sound test. Ooh. Which picture starts with this sound? Orange. Cat. Horse. Yes, O for orange, orange. Ooh. Which word starts with O? Octopus. Lollipop. Monkey. Correct. O for octopus, octopus. Wow, little learners, you did amazing today. You matched all the sounds perfectly. Excellent work. Keep practicing your letters every day. See you soon with the next fun test P to T phonics.